Okay, welcome to challenge 10, the rectangle calculator. First I'm going to show you the basic version and then I'll show you the advanced version. So the basic version is nice and simple. It gets to ask the user the length of a rectangle, they enter the length, then it gets them to answer the width of the rectangle, and then finally it displays the area of the rectangle just there. And to leave the program, if you press enter again, it will clear the screen and print a suitable message for leaving the program. So that's the basic version. Now let's have a look at the advanced version. There we go. Now this one, what it does is it gets you to enter the length and width of two rectangles. Let's have a go. Let's go 45, 34, that's for rectangle 1. And it calculates the area of rectangle 1. And it also does it for rectangle 2. Let's do a nice big one. There we go, nice big number. There we go. It calculates the area, it then waits 2 seconds, and then it prints out which rectangle is larger, and then closes the program automatically. It closes it using some time.sleeps there, rather than using waiting for the user inputs. Okay, good luck.